Have you ever had a day where nothing seems to go right? What if I told you that happiness is just one bite away? Meet the ultimate comfort creation, a treat that has the warm, soulful hug of an apple pie combined with the crumbly, buttery joy of a cookie. Let's start the magic. We cream 100 grams of softened butter with 30 grams of granulated sugar and 30 grams of rich brown sugar. Add a dash of cinnamon, 50 grams of egg liquid, and whip it until it's light, fluffy, and full of promise. Now we fold in 160 grams of low-gluten flour, a pinch of baking soda, baking powder, and salt. But wait, every great story needs depth. Let's toss in 30 grams of crunchy nuts and sweet, chewy, dried cranberries. Mix it up, let it rest, and let the flavors fall in love. Divide our dough into 6 equal portions. Press the center gently to create a little nest, edge it with crunchy almond slices, and fill the heart with a generous spoonful of vibrant strawberry jam. Top it off with neat slices of fresh Crabapples. Into the oven they go, 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes of pure alchemy. Just listen to that kitchen fill with the smell of sweet, spiced comfort. Brush them with warm honey and dust with powdered sugar while they're hot. Look at that, a slightly crisp top, soft, chewy apples, moist strawberry, and crumbly cookies all at once. Pour yourself a cup of black tea, share this with someone you love, and let it cure all your unhappiness. Give it a try, sisters.